Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to detect any Shopify store to find out the theme and apps that they are using. So, if you have started your online business and you have designed your Shopify online store, but right now you are not satisfied with your design and pitch art, and you found some website that while to Shopify, but they have added very awesome and unique pitch art that you like too much, and you wanted to add this pitch art in your Shopify online store, but you don't know which theme and apps they are using. Don't worry, today I am going to share how you can detect their store or any Shopify store and find the theme and apps that they are using. For example, you can see that right now I am one of the Shopify online store, and you can see that here is the product page of this store, and there are multiple options. Looks here. By default, you don't find this option on product page in any Shopify theme, and for that you have to use Detector, Shopify theme and apps detector to find out. Okay, now the question is that which is the best Shopify theme and apps detector, or how you can detect it. Okay, now I'm going to share the solution. First of all, you have to go to detectify.app Shopify app detector. Go to this website, then copy the website link in here, then click on the analyze. Looks here. Here is the app that they are using. So simple and easy. Also, I am going to share another website name, goseo.com Shopify detector, and going to enter this website name. Click on the detect. We have to wait a little bit time. Looks here. Here is the theme name or theme information, and here is the app that used by this website. Looks here. Rebuy engine. So simple and easy and fast. So I hope you understand everything, how we can detect any Shopify store theme and apps. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify or WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.